Hi. Now we are going to see C-axis cross contour and cross drill. It means that you are going to work on the cylinder diameter side, means not on the face. Okay. So it is on the cylinder. For this, I have made one small example. So I cannot do the work from the front. You can see there is a little projection in the front. So you cannot do in this job from the front. So for that you need to go for the C-axis cross contour. Okay. Now in this case you need to keep your C-plane top. Okay. Here I just kept the C-plane top. So I will select machine. We'll do the holding. We'll select the tool work holding. Then from I'll go to top view and I'll hold from here. Okay, I'll select that point. So now you can see that it's look like this holding. Even you can shade it and see that how it does look like holding. Okay. Now the stock we will take the solid model itself. Okay. Okay, we'll select the stock, the same model. So what I'm going to do is I just going to make one flat on the top and one drilling has to be done. I'll make it all four sides. So I will rotate this geometry. So I kept C plane right and I will rotate this 90 degree. Three numbers 90 degree. Okay. Because already one is available, so I made numbers three only. If I keep four means there may be overlap. So that to avoid that, I made it three. Okay. Now I will go to isometric. C plane top should be top in this case. So the tool is come perpendicular to the cylinder. Okay, so this is the cross. That's the reason it's called the cross contour. Sorry, C-axis contour. Oh no, I think I am wrong. Okay, okay. Anyway, I selected wrongly. Let it go. Okay, third chain and fourth chain. Fourth chain. Okay. Mhm. I select one tool. 16 flat mm. Can give feed rate, spindle speed. If you want, change the tool number. Compensation. So contour left side. Depth of cut 1 mm. So if you want lead in lead out, you can switch on. If you extended the profile, then lead in lead out not at all necessary. No, here it's better you need to keep always incremental in this particular type of toolpath. Otherwise, if you keep absolute, you should give your depth when considering your diameter. Otherwise, it will go wrong. Okay. Okay. Now we'll take a solid. Okay. Now actually I need still more depth. I'll change my add to multi-pass first. Okay. I'll give 4 passes. So distance is 10 mm. Okay. Now we'll, let us see how it is look like. Now you can see the tool is so perpendicular to the cylinder. Okay. We go C axis cross drill. First we have seen cross contour and then the cross drill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then again you need to make a center drill. Select the tool from library. Tool number you change it. And the feed rate and spindle speed modify. Okay. G81. Okay. Depth minus 2 mm. It should be in the incremental. Okay. So axis configuration I have made it here. Let us generate. Maybe it is hitting somewhere. Maybe if you see the retraction height is less. That yellow color line I mean to say. So it means that your retraction height has to be modified. And so 45 retraction and 30 change modified. Now you can see that it is the yellow line is totally out of the cylinder. Okay. Otherwise, if you are not changing, means then it will hit the job and tool will break. Okay. So I will just copy it and paste it and change the tool number. It's a 10 diagonal. Okay. So based on that, you can change the parameters. Tool number 3 and feed rate and spin. Now here you change it. Peg drilling. First peg 4 mm and next peg you can modify accordingly. Okay. So axis configuration I should keep C axis. No? If machine is having only C axis means then you should keep the C axis. If the machine is having a Y axis then you can switch over whatever you want. Okay. So now we'll check it. I have not checked how much depth I have given. Okay, let me check it again. Uh, so I'll modify this. The first riddle is 2 is okay. For the next riddle, definitely there should be more. Otherwise, it will not look good. Okay, run it. Now you can see that face contour and sorry, cross contour and uh, cross contour and cross drill. You can increase your drill depth if at all you want, little more. And simulate and see. Oh, I have not selected all. Okay, now I selected all and measure it. Okay, this is the C-axis cross contour and the C-axis cross drill. You can generate NC file and see. Okay, it means the program name just. If you remove the output for this, all will come in this C-axis. Okay, all in C-axis. You can find it where is the drill is coming. Find. This is all about the C-axis cross contour and the C-axis drill. Thank you.